Hello and welcome to another cleaning with me video. Whenever I'm cleaning, I always start with the laundry. I put a load of washing on, tidy up the laundry room. Here I'm emptying the lint filter as I do between every single wash, just to prevent a fire, as you should do. Also, the stuff I just put in the wash, just want to let you know, it is a hygiene rinse and the stuff's amazing. So if you want to give that a go, kills 99.9% of the germs in your wash without having to put disinfectant in and change the smell of your fabric booster or fabric softener, whatever you use. So once again, that one is a hygiene rinse.
I'm feeling high when I'm low, I'm feeling high when I'm low, I'm feeling high when I'm low, I'm feeling you. I'm broken when you're not around. I'm smoking words, I'm screaming out. I need it more when you're close. More when you're close. Close to me, close to me, close to me.
So there was really sticky and thick fabric softener that was spilled on the floor and down the side of my machine. It was really hard to get off and I was worried about scratching the actual machine itself because it is new. So it took a lot of elbow grease to get that off. Next up is the kitchen, just putting away the shopping items, tidying up a bit, and then I'm going to follow up with a deep clean as well as giving the oven a really good scrub and a polish to get rid of all the finger marks.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? More when you're close, more when you're close, more when you're close, more when you're close, more when you're close to me.
So I only used my grill tray that you can see that I'm cleaning now. I've used that once. It is my brand new oven. So it was weird that it had this very set in hard film on it. I did have to soak it 2 times with oven cleaner to get it off, but it did eventually come off with the easy off bam, and it's as good as new again. So I really want to show you these magic stainless steel wipes. They are amazing. They're best used on a clean surface. It gets rid of all the finger marks, put a nice shine on, makes your stove and oven look brand new. I'd use it on anything that's stainless steel. They do smell, but they work so well. I just want to say that I did try to clean my stovetop with these wipes. It did not turn out so well. It worked so well when I first used the Method kitchen spray and then went over it with the wipes. fridge is made of glass, so we just use the Method glass cleaner and it works amazing, and I love the smell of the Method glass cleaner. If you liked watching this video as much as I did making it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time in the next one. Love to you and yours.